Welcome to the Ramoji Film City, the land of million dreams.
हेलो, मेरा नाम प्रिया होरने है। मैं पंढरपुर महाराष्ट्र से हूँ और यहाँ फिल्म सिटी देखने के लिए आए हैं हम सब लोग। और बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आज का। और जो एक्वा जैम था वो भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था कि अंडर वाटर कैसे आप एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं और अपना कैलोरीज कैसे बर्न कर सकते हैं, ये भी सर ने बहुत अच्छे से बताया। सो वी ऑल ग्रेट एंजॉय टुडे। थैंक यू।
So we are the Adabala family. We have come from Secunderabad. We came for a family outing and we enjoyed the dance floor over here. It was awesome. The ambience was good and the dance master was very good.
I'm Khyati and I've come from Shanghai and I'm visiting my parents over here. And we been in Ramoji for 2 days and this is my first class in PSA Dance Fit. And I had a great time. It's a lot of energy, good music, and the tutor was amazing. Thank you.
Actually, it is my first Zumba session in my life ever, and I enjoyed thoroughly. I love dancing. I just love dancing. I just don't know how to dance, but I enjoy dancing. And this was so cool. I forgot everything and I just danced. And this is very good. I just loved it. Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा था। मैंने भी पहली बार किया है, लेकिन बहुत मज़ा आया और चाहूँगी कि जब भी हो मैं ज्वाइन करूँ उसको।
I'm Rohit from events team. So today our couple of guests has visited to organic farm tour. So let us share the experience, what all they have experienced here. So let us get some experience from that. Sir, please.
Yeah, visiting here, it will help for the kids who only are inside the school rooms and city atmosphere. Visiting here will give them a different experience. They will know the real things, how farming is done and how dairies are reared here. So this will be a very different experience. All the guests who come over to Ramoji must visit here. So this will give them a different experience because other all things can be seen everywhere. But this is a unique one where organic farming, it is very less and Ramoji does that. That is a great thing. So all must visit here. That is my suggestion.
Okay, ma'am. I'm yours. What was your experience?
Okay, it was a wonderful experience over here and it was very good to see all the cattle kept here, mostly all Indian breeds, and it was good to know the varieties and how they are fed and how they are taken care here. And the tour over the agriculture thing was too good. Everything was organic, and it is very much needed that we take a good message from this generation to the next generation. So we strongly recommend that this place or this organic tour should be recommended for all school students, so that people are aware of how vegetation is done in an ancient way, and we should value the food that we eat every day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So this was the experience shared by the guests.
Today we got a really good opportunity to visit Ramoji Film City, especially the thrilling and adventurous section of the Ramoji, which is none other than SAHAS. So today we got to know how much SAHAS we have, and today, like this place especially, it teaches us how to overcome the obstacles of the life and how to lead our life happily by overcoming all these obstacles. So it was a very nice, especially we enjoyed a zip liner, and I did twice along with my colleague Vasu sir. It was very nice to see these kind of adventure over here. So let's say hip hip! Hooray!
Hi, my name is Esma Volodin, Miss World Australia 2017 here at Film City. It's been such an amazing experience. The rides are really entertaining, and I felt like the child in me was enjoying this whole experience. Every ride you go on, every show that you watch is entertaining, and they're not too long, which is super amazing. It's just the right amount of time. Super engaging. I haven't seen a light show before, so I was very impressed and entertained by that. And the stunt show was incredible. The actors are so amazing. You completely forget yourself while you're here. It's like being a child again and immersing yourself in a movie itself. So thank you so much for having me, and I'll definitely be back if I come back to Hyderabad.